1990 Topps wax packs. This is going to be part 2. I picked up 6 wax packs from the bins inside the front door at McNulty Sports Cards. We opened up 3 of the 6 yesterday, and only 1 pack, the cards were salvageable. The other 2, the cards were all warped and had some, must have been some moisture damage or something. So I'm thinking the way that these packs look, maybe the same. Not sure, but let's go ahead and do all 3 of these 16 card packs and see how bad they are or not. Yeah, that's not looking decent, but the cards look like they may be okay. Looks like obviously this Domingo Ramos is going to have to go for having the gum residue on him. And Steve Davis is going to have to go for having the wax residue. They smell mildewy, but these actually might be salvageable. Yeah, these cards look okay. I'm not seeing any warping. We start out with our company store new deluxe quality Topps binder offer, or special offer card. I actually have 1 or 2, definitely 1 of those binders that I keep my cards in. We've got Daryl Boston. Be checking the backs of these. Mike Dunn. Drew Hall. Jeff Russell. There's checklist card 4 of 6, giving us the Montreal Expos, the American League New York team, which would be the Yankees, the National League New York team, which would be the Mets, Oakland Athletics, and the Philadelphia Phillies. There's Carmen Castillo. National League All-Star card of Craig Biggio. Nice. Tracy Jones. Ozzie Guillen. Dennis Oil Can Boyd. Mike Smithson. Mark Eichhorn. Tim Wallach. And the Tim Wallach card seems to have some lines. I don't know if you can see him there. Some lines right there. Going to go ahead and toss him out. And Greg Maddux. All right, not bad. I'm seeing a little bit of staining right here. I'm going to go ahead and toss him out. That's what I was looking for, was that staining. Pack number 2. Gum's looking nasty. Back of the Mark Gubicza card is looking nasty, so he's going to have to go. I'm seeing a little bit of a stain on the back of the John Moses, so we're going to go ahead and toss out John Moses. Looks like we've got some wax residue on the back of the Roy Smith. So Roy Smith's going to have to go. 3 cards down. The rest of these, ooh, there's a Don Mattingly. Nice. Rest of these look like they should be okay. Yeah, not seeing any warping. Good deal. Got our Topps Company store special offer card, sports card collector sheets. Number 1 draft pick, rookie card of Roger Selkeld. Glenn Davis. Nolan Ryan, nice. Should be card number 1. It is, good deal. Clint Zavares. Corey Snyder. Some of these pictures look a little blurry to me. Jeff Pico. Don Mattingly, nice. definitely take that. Card number 200, Don August. Pat Borders. Mike Flanagan. Ivan Calderon. Topps All-Star Rookie. Gold Cup card of Gary Sheffield. This is actually going to be his second year card. 89 Topps was his rookie. And Fernando Valenzuela. Rest in peace to Fernando. Unfortunately, he passed away. All right, not bad on that second pack. Let's take a look at pack number 3. Gum's looking nasty as usual. Oh, that's some nasty gum. Looks like we're going to lose the Rick Cerone card to that nastiness. Looks like the back of the Len Dykstra got some stains on it. I'm going to go ahead and toss out the Len Dykstra. Ruben Sierra got the wax residue. I'm going to go ahead and toss out Ruben Sierra. Rest of these cards look like they could be okay. Yeah, we're looking all right. Again, they smell a little musty, but here's our special offer card. Topps Company Store, another new deluxe quality Topps binder. Got Jesse Orosco. Bernie Williams. It's going to be a rookie card for him. It's going to be worth $1.50 for Bernie Williams, card number 701. Good deal. And that Don Mattingly was a 100 card, which means 60 cents on the Don Mattingly, card number 200. Got Bert Blyleven. National League All-Star card of Joe McGrain. Dan Murphy. Kevin Ritz. Juan Gonzalez. This is going to be another rookie card, number 331, worth $1. Good deal on the Juan Gon rookie. Marty Barrett. Rick Sutcliffe. Robin Yount. Very nice on the Robin Yount. Walt Weiss. Got a little bit of a mark right there. We're going to go ahead and toss out him. Hubie Brooks. And finally, Jose De Leon. All right, not bad. We actually got to keep pretty much most of the cards. We'll take it. And we went through the cards. They're looking fine. All right, folks, there you have it. Triple shot of 1990 Topps. 16 card wax packs from McNulty Sports Cards. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned.